लिखो भाई, रेडी। इसके कितने हो गए थे? 20 हो गए थे कि 18 हो गए थे।
ये अगला हो गया। ये भी हो गया।
जो हो गया था अजमेर का लास्ट पैरा कौन सा किया था हमने? 19 कर लिया था ना? कर लिया था। चलो लिखे फिर, रेडी। 80 है, लिखें। द एक्विजिशन ऑफ एनी लैंड और एनी इंटरेस्ट इन लैंड फॉर द पर्पसेस ऑफ द अथॉरिटी shall be deemed to be an acquisition for a public purpose within the meaning of the Land Acquisition Act, 1894, full stop. The authority may appoint such persons in its service as may be necessary for the efficient performance its functions in such manner and on such terms and conditions as may be prescribed, full stop. All persons acting or purporting to act in pursuance of any provisions of this ordinance shall be deemed to be public servants within the meaning of section 21 of the Pakistan Penal Code 8060, full stop. Any conversion of property to a different use or purpose than the one provided under a scheme prepared by the authority by a person without the previous approval of the authority in writing, shall be punishable with fine which may extend to 2000 rupees per day from the date of its conversion till the default continues, or with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or with both, full stop. Paragraph. If any building, structure, work or land is erected, constructed or used in contravention of the provisions of this ordinance or any rules, regulations or orders made thereunder, the authority or any person authorized by it in this behalf, may, by order in writing, require the owner, occupier, user or person in control of such building, structure, work or land to remove, demolish or alter the building, structure, work or to use it in such manner as may bring such erection, construction or use in accordance with the provisions of this ordinance, full stop. If an order under subsection 1 in respect of any building, structure, work or land is not complied with within such time, as may be specified therein, the authority or any person authorized by it in this behalf may, after giving the person concerned an opportunity of being heard, remove, demolish or alter the building, structure or work, or stop the use of the land. In so doing may use such force as may be necessary, and may also recover the cost thereof from the person responsible for the erection, construction or use of the building, structure, work or land in contravention of the provisions as aforesaid, full stop. Upon the establishment of the authority, the Lahore Kent Cooperative Housing Society Limited, Lahore, registered under the Cooperative Societies Act 1925, and all bodies constituted thereunder shall stand dissolved, and upon such dissolution any persons in the service of the said society shall stand transferred for service under the authority on the same terms and conditions as were applicable to them immediately before their transfer to the authority. All assets and liabilities of the said society shall become the assets and liabilities of the authority, and all bylaws of the said society in force immediately before the dissolution of the said society shall continue in force until altered or repealed by rules or regulations made under this ordinance. Full stop. If any difficulty arises in giving effect to the provisions of this ordinance, the government may give such directions as it may consider necessary for the approval of such difficulty. Full stop. 31 है। यार कोई बाइक तो नहीं गलत लगा के आया, बाहर हारन दे है कोई। बाइक के अंदर लगाया करो या बाहर स्टैंड पे गली में ना लगाया करो बाइक। किसने लगाई है बाहर? क्या हुआ है? अंदर लगा दिया कर, अंदर लगा दिया कर, अंदर इतनी जगह है, ऊपर अंदर लगाया कर। हाँ जी, नंबर नोट कर लेना था उसका, किसकी है, साइड पे करवा देते। बाइक के साइड पे लगाया करो यार, इस तरह ना किया करो। लिखे रेडी? अच्छा जी, लिखे रेडी? अंदर लगा दिया गिरे साथ, इतने एक लगाई है, साथ दो ने और लगा देनी है। बहुत अच्छा काम किया, उधर से उन्होंने अंदर कर लेनी है। लिखे रेडी? इफ़ अ पर्सन इज़ रियली सक्सेसफुल द पब्लिक मे बाय इट in very large numbers. Full stop. Sometimes we see figures showing that several 100,000 copies of a book have been bought. Full stop. It is of interest to ask, what does the public ask for in the books which it reads for player? Question mark. In this field, as with all other arts, there is the man or the woman who says, I do not know much about writing, but I do know what books I like to read. Full stop. And if we may judge from the books which have been great successes, it seems safe to say that what the masses of the people ask for in their reading is a book which tells a good story about interesting people, a book with movement and life in it. Full stop. There are always people ready to give the public what it asks for in such respects, and writers who wish to make money from their writing have been almost forced to write books of the kind which please the people who make up the largest market for their work. Full stop. Now a book written with this public in view may still be a good book, but very often it is not the book which the writer would have written had he been quite free to follow his own wishes. Full stop. The form of book provided by many writers is the book which tells a clear story, which gives a picture of a number of men and women who at all at the beginning of the book are in one set of conditions, comma, and who move step by step throughout the book into a different and more pleasing set of conditions, full stop. Such a book gives the reader a sense of order, full stop. The people in these books act and think along certain lines, comma, and it is only in details that the stories differ, full stop. हाँ तलहा लिखी गई है 90 थी 90 थी 90 से भी थोड़ी सी ऊपर चली गई, वो पहले तेज़ हो गई थी ना थोड़ी। रेडी, अब 100 है, 90 थी। रेडी, and it is only in details that the stories differ, full stop. But during recent years, the more thoughtful writers have been attempting a new form, full stop. It is said that the course which our lives take depends upon our personal thoughts, comma, the thoughts which, comma, if told at all, comma, are told only to those nearest or dearest to us, full stop. It is in these personal thoughts that the writers are interested, full stop. The important thing, comma, they say, comma, is to set down the life which goes on in a man's, not so much the thoughts which result from the day-to-day happenings, comma, but the long line of thoughts which makes up his real life, full stop. But both the old and the new form of book are subject to material conditions, comma, and it is not possible for every event or every thought to be set down, full stop. All writers have to face question of what to use and what to have leave out, full stop. The writer of the book with a story uses those events or thoughts which help on the telling of his story, full stop. The wish of the writer of the new form of book is to give a complete picture of the minds of the people he is telling about, full stop. So he makes his book, comma, or each part of his book, comma, cover only a short time, comma, and gives a complete picture of what is happening in the minds of the people during that time, full stop. The news form is not always pleasing to readers used only to the old form, comma, as there are no clear step in the story told, comma, and there is nothing final at the end of the book, full stop. But while a reader may find pleasure in reading a book, comma, which shows for the 100th times that 2 and 2 make 4, comma, it is doubtful if he reads through 3 or 400 pages for that purpose, full stop. Without doubt he finds pleasure in the book line by line and page by page, full stop. The story is not a really necessary development, comma, part of his pleasure in reading, comma, and it is probably that with the development of the new form the general reader may come to like it more, full stop. लिखें